Okay, welcome once again. IELTS Speaking Part 1 tutorial. I'm going to ask you some questions from IELTS Speaking Part 1. You will answer and I'll give you my feedback on your answers. Remember, in Speaking Part 1, examiner will choose one or two topics. Sometimes one topic, sometimes two topics, and if your answers are too short, then many topics. Right, be ready for that. Okay, very recently one student texted me and said, when I was taking my test, in speaking test, examiner was disturbing me. I said, how? He said, examiner was saying, why? It's not the disturbance, it means your answer is very short. So if your answer is short, examiner will say time and again why, because they have to evaluate you. So if there is something, then they will evaluate you, otherwise they can't do it. Okay, now we are going to start. As I told you before, speaking part 1 is a very friendly talk with the examiner. So you can take examiner as a friend and you can answer all the questions in a very friendly way. For you, the topic is staying up late. Now what does it mean, staying up late? If you sleep at 2 a.m., 3 a.m. or even after that, that's what we call staying up late. So I have some questions about this and you got to answer. And you should focus how the question starts. If it starts with do, it means you need to answer with yes, no first and then you can elaborate. If question starts with are you, then you don't need to, then even you can use yes or no. If question starts with what, where, why, when, then you can answer accordingly. So for you, the first question is, do you sometimes go to bed late?
Well, usually I follow my routine and I do not have such routine to stay up late at night. So I follow my routine very accurately or timely. Said there is no chance in my routine life to stay up late at night.
Very good, that's nice. Now see, you answered in a negative way, but you answered well with proper explanation. Good job. What do you do when you stay up late?
Well, I think so. It depends on the kind of work. For that, I have to stay up late. If I stay up late, so definitely I would prefer to finish the pending work. For that, I had to manage each and everything in time.
Okay, this is good. You understand? Like she's answering according to the question, to the point and all that. Good. How do you feel when you have stayed up late the night before?
Staying up late never been easy for me.
Has never been easy for me.
Yes, staying up late has never been easy for me. In fact, my day starts with acute or severe headache and my things severely go wrong in haphazardly and in a very bad condition. So in fact, it spoils my whole day. So I never let it be like this.
Okay, that's good. All right, so I just asked you 3 questions. Your answers are fine, staying up late, and you answered every question well, right? Just keep it up and try not to take pauses between your answer. They should be fluent so that you show them that you are a good speaker of English, right? Okay, let's move on. Your topic is celebrities and stars. Celebrities are famous people and stars are like film stars and all that. So the topic is like that. Now remember one thing, if they ask you any question, do not try to be conservative. Conservative means they ask you, what kind of music do you listen to? And you give a long lecture against music. Don't be conservative. You are being monitored. Especially in IELTS UKVI, you are being monitored very closely. So you have to show them that you are not conservative. You are a normal person. You don't have very strong feelings against something and all that, right? So celebrities and stars. My first question is, have you ever met a celebrity in real life?
Yes, I still remember when I was in metric class or in my school, a program is conducted by...
Listen, in speaking part 1, we don't have any room for a story or for any incident that you narrate. If you start doing it, examiner will immediately ask you the next question. So instead of telling the incident, when and where you met the celebrity, you can do this in speaking part 2. In cue card, you can do this. But here, have you ever met a celebrity in real life? If answer is yes, just explain that briefly and answer must be direct. right? Now please answer again. Have you ever met a celebrity in real life?
Yes, I met I met a celebrity in my life named Humayun Saeed. Recently, I have a chance to go to an airport where I saw that celebrity or actor, and feel happy.
I felt
I
happy.
felt happy to
Good,
see
very
him.
good. Okay, so this is how you can answer directly. What is your, or who is your favorite movie star?
Well, a movie star, Shan is my favorite actor or a movie star. His work is very appreciable, and he's very he as well as his work. His movies are about very informative and give a lesson.
Okay, so you should just give reasons why you like him. Like, who is your favorite movie star? My favorite movie star is Shan because of his acting skills, and he is a wonderful hero. I always like the way he delivers the dialogues in the movies. Just focus, I like, I love, I this, I that. Because, you know, if you describe only the celebrity, then examiner will be confused. The question is, who is your favorite star, right? Okay, let's move on. Are international superstars popular in your country?
Yes, many international superstars are popular in my country. Indian actors came to my country and worked with our actors.
Indian actors come to my
Come
country
to my
and
country
work with
and
our
work
actors.
with our actors.
Okay, but you need to say some more. Are international superstars popular in your country? Say yes, international stars are very popular, especially Hollywood and Bollywood. Some of the Indian actors, they visit my country also and they make some movies collaboratively. On the other hand, Hollywood stars are also very famous here. Instead of popular, you can use the word famous and all that, right? Okay, this is good. So you understand, you should answer confidently and all that. Let's move on. Now see, the topic is very simple, water, right? Water is the topic. So let's see what the questions are. Do you ever drink bottled water?
Yes, I
You
always
can just clip it here somewhere. It will be better.
yes, I always carry bottled water with me whenever I am traveling away from my home to some new place where I am unsure about the quality of water being provided there. So it's a nice idea to carry my bottle of water for my convenience. So I always have a bottle of water with me.
Okay. What kind of water do you like to drink? Now here you can answer differently. Maybe you can say, I always drink boiled water. I mean, for the sake of giving the answer, there should not be repetition. Remember one thing, if in every answer you repeatedly say something, now for example, first you talked about bottled water. Now, what kind of water? Again, you give the same answer. There are chances for repetition. So it's a good idea to change it altogether. You can say, I always drink boiled water or something like that. So let's start. What kind of water do you like to drink?
I like to personally I prefer to drink boiled water.
Boiled water.
Boiled water. We boil water at home daily for our use, and after cooling, it is filled into the bottles. And I like boiled water. Also, I like the water that is filtered from Aqua Water Purifier. It is easily available in our office, and I also enjoy drinking that.
Excellent. That's very good. How often do you drink water?
I take a glass of water after every 1 hour, so it sums up to 12 to 15 glasses of water per day. So I think it's a good quantity of water. It keeps me healthy and also fit.
Good, very good. Do you think water is a vital resource?
Yes, I think water is an elixir of life, and water is one of the essential nutrient that is required in our body. It is full of minerals, and it keeps our brain healthy, and lack of water leads to dehydration and other health problems. So in order to avoid, we should drink a good quantity of water daily.
Okay, that's great. Mashallah. Yeah, good job. Keep it up, okay? And answer like this confidently. And yeah, again, for every answer, you need to come up with something new, something different, and just show, like, you know, you watch TV programs. On TV programs, they call some experts, and those experts are giving the expert opinion. So you should behave like you are the expert, and You are giving expert opinion on that. Wonderful, very good. Let's move on. It's going to be your turn. Your topic is cooking and baking, right? So even if you don't like cooking and baking, but this is the topic and you got to answer. Very simple, cooking and then baking the cakes and all
Yes.
that. Let's take a start. Do you like to cook?
Well, I really like, I love cooking, and I like to cook many kind of different dishes at home. So I just like to cook thing like, recently I cooked Singaporean rice, and that was amazing. So everyone appreciate me. So I like to cook many different kind of dishes,
Okay.
which encourages me.
Okay, that's right. Dishes which encourage me.
Encourage
right?
me.
So instead of like, you can, as you use the word love,
Love.
cooking, then what other words can we use for like? Like, love,
Adore.
I adore, I'm keen on cooking.
Keen on cooking.
Right? I'm really into cooking.
Fond of cooking.
Fond of cooking,
Cooking.
exactly. So you can use a variety.
Yes.
This is where you get good band score. If, for example, do you like cooking? I like cooking very much. My mother also likes cooking. My younger sister likes cooking also. She also likes cooking. He also likes cooking. It also like. So
like.
this shows you've got very limited vocabulary.
Yes,
You
sir.
will get band score what you show,
Yes.
right? So let's move on. Have you ever baked a cake?
Yes, when I baked a cake before few months at home and on the stove, not in the microwave oven. I just preheat the pressure cooker, and I just when I preheated the pressure cooker, I just making the batter.
I made the batter.
I made the batter, and then I put it into a pan and grease the pan. Then I put the batter into it, and I just put it in a pressure cooker and then let it for 5 to 10 minutes, and after that time cake
Okay,
is
but
ready.
listen to me very carefully. I need a proof of that. Whether this formula works or not, so tomorrow you're going to bring a proof that, sir, look, I followed the same formula and this is the cake I baked. Yeah, small one will do for me. Okay, let's move on. Would you like to learn about baking?
Yes, I would like to learn about cooking because
Baking. My question was about baking. Would you like to learn about baking?
Yes, I would like to learn about baking. It increase my knowledge about baking.
It will increase
It
because
will
you would like to learn. Yeah.
It will increase my knowledge about baking, and it helps me in future as a chef and in various ways. So I would like to learn.
Okay, that's good. So just try to add, your answers should be a little interesting, and you need to add some more to your answers. What I've noticed, you answered the questions very well, but if you add a little more to them, you can even get a better band score, right? Now, for example, what kind of things, okay, let me ask you this question, then you can answer. What kinds of things are baked in your country?
Like cookies, biscuits. And
Listen, now never start your answer with a phrase. Start your answer with a sentence.
Sentence.
For example, what kinds of things are baked in your country? Cookies, cakes, full stop. Okay, so there should be sentences. Yeah, it's just not like, what's your favorite animal? Cow. What's your favorite food? Pizza. Not like that, okay? So please answer again. What kinds of things are baked in your country?
Well, in my country, different items of different kinds of things baked in my country, like cookies, biscuits, and pizzas, and many other things. So
Okay, so there should be a little more explanation with your answer. That is
Okay.
important, right?
Okay.
And instead of talking about 10 things, it's better to talk about one thing with explanation.
with explanation.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot. I finished it. Okay, you drink some water.